double meaning statement. Karma, akarma, vikarma, three words are used. Normally, it is interpreted akarma is inaction. Karma, be getting busy with your action. Vikarma, going after negative karmas. That's a popular interpretation. Found in your interpretation is karma should be blended with vikarma. Vikarma means vishesh karma. Vishesh karma means what Gita terms yajnas, that which purifies the short-circuited energy in your personality is being corrected by swadhyaya, study of scriptures, by practice of meditation, japa. All sadhanas are different forms of yajnas. And when you blend your daily life with yajna, the same karmas that you are doing, now they are leading you to Ishvara Bhakti, surrender to God. Otherwise, they are leading you to more complicated desires. When you choose the latter, surrender to God, now this is making you emptier and emptier from the point of view of your ego. You become simply a channel. Krishna's Vasuli